What up, sweet peeps? It's your girl, Rochelle, in the building. And I'm coming to you because today is the day I start my vacation. So I'm laying here this morning, starting my morning on this adventure that I'm getting ready to take you on. So be ready if you're ready. And let's spend a vacation time with my family. All right? So throughout my vacation, you're going to see me and my family vlogging, and we're going to do a few treats with you along this journey. So stay tuned. It's time for us to get ready and go. It's your girl headed to the Florida. Hey. Yeah, that was corny. But anyway, it's time to get up and get going. This is it. It's me getting ready to head out to Florida, and we had some issues. So that road trip that we was gonna be doing, we ain't gonna be doing because now we're getting on a flight. So and my headband just keeps going up. But what up, sweet peeps? Yeah, this is kind of interesting. But be sure to keep watching. Yeah. These red hot glasses, these hot girl summer glasses that my daughter got. Say what's up to the vlog. Say hello. So here we go with a whole switch and change. Instead of a road trip, we about to fly out with my family in the back. About to get dropped off at the airport, and looking forward to this family vacation. Y'all ready? Y'all ain't ready. We straight deep, but we'll see y'all in a few. Yes, what it do? I'm about to head to the airport, so I'm excited because I needed this well needed vacation. You know, when you take a vacation, you need a vacation after a vacation. So, y'all come on along with us and see how we enjoy our time and family fun. Let's get it.
this?
What up, sweet peeps? Y'all ready? Come on in.
Oh, this is beautiful.
So, we at my vacation home. So let me tell y'all how good God is to get an upgrade. All right? So let me take you on a nice tour. Y'all ready? Let's go. Refrigerator. Nothing in the refrigerator, but you gotta come on, get this. It's gonna be filled in a minute. Nice countertop, stoves, beautiful lamps. Upgrade. Check this out. This is going to be our family dining. We're going to be cooking every day. And just to let y'all know, this is something I usually do once a year with my family, but we've been quarantined, and yes, we're still up under this pandemic. But I needed to get away and take a mental break and just shed light and love. But I wanted to just show you how good God can be when you are able to do these wonderful things. So check this out. This is the family dining room, family dinner right here. Let me take you to the rooms, and I'll say the rest for last, so come on. First, we're gonna take you to. Y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? Let's go. what? I'm excited. I'm out of breath, but I'm just gonna let y'all know we about to have fun. I'm gonna take you on a little bit of our vacation this week, and I hope you enjoy our family vlog for this holiday that we're getting ready to enjoy just with family and you guys. All right, so I just want to take you on a little bit of journey to see what hard work would bring you. So I know y'all ready to see some good eats, and you definitely gonna see that. So y'all already know it's your girl Ro about to go, but guess what? I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Bye.